Hauoli makahikiho! Manigong bagong taon! Happy New Year and welcome to my scrappiness! Happy New Year, guys! It's Marissa again. So we're working on a Chalk Couture project again. So I have told you guys about the specials that we have on our website right now. And if you don't know yet, now you know. You can order You Are Enough transfer. It's actually a kit that comes with a hexagon board, which, by the way, that special is not available to us. It's only available to customers, but I'm going to show you how I will play with mine. I got a transfer sent to me or sent to the designers who signed up this month or December for the month of December. And I got mine, so I figured I will share with you on how I'm going to play with this. I do not have the inks. I'm assuming those are the new inks that are coming out in our spring line. But however, I did pull out the inks that I have currently that may look like them. I do have the bright white here, and then I have the Couture teal. I have the green envy, kiwi, and also the ocean mist. And if you also notice, I have also marked my transfers already. They're ready to get cut, and I already put at the back what they are. So then that at the same time, I know what the back, that this actually the back to where I shouldn't stick the transfer to. So, and actually that was the matte side. The transfers are stuck on a more glossy side. And you will notice here, I am cutting up the transfer. There's some lines that the transfer has that you can cut them up so that you can go ahead and cut up, and that way you can place your transfers where you want them for later use. We're just cutting this up. So I'm going to mix the paste. I will go ahead and mix the paste, open the paste because they're still new. Mix them up. Some of them need to get some mixing done. Start with the green envy. Okay, so let's see the consistency. I want it to be a little bit more runnier, so I'm taking my water, spritz it. I don't know how many I put there, maybe 10. And this is how you mix your paste and get it to the consistency of a yogurt or sour cream consistency. And notice I use the I like using the multi-tool, the curved end of it, to mix up my paste because it really gets to the very bottom and to the edges of the jar. And yep, that's why I like it. Okay, happy with this consistency now. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and work on the others. Okay guys, I got all the colors on this side. We're gonna go ahead and start with the white because I want the You Are Enough to be white. So let's go ahead and peel it off its backing and fuzz it. I like fuzzing my new transfers at least twice so that they won't get stuck on the board. All right, so let's get started. I think I like this right in the middle. Okay, I think I like that. I think that's centered enough. Okay, you want to make sure there's no bubbles here. I see a little bubble over there. If you don't take out the bubbles right now, it's gonna fuzz up. I think we're good. It's a go, guys. Okay, let's start. Since this is big, I'm not gonna even use my multi-tool anymore and just go straight with the squeegee. See how little of the paste that we used to go ahead and I only dipped it like lightly twice. And so now I'm just taking out the excess. Listen to that noise. I think we're ready to reveal. Ta-da! This is so cool every time. It's like, takes my breath away every time. You are enough, and you certainly are. I'm gonna go run and dry this with a hair dryer. You can also use a heat gun, but make sure you move it a lot because remember, the heat gun is concentrated heat. So make sure you move it a lot. Okay guys, so we're ready to put on our flowers. I'm so excited. So I'm looking at this to go down here at the bottom. And then maybe this can go up in the corner over there, maybe a little higher. And then this can go over there. I think I'm happy with that. So let me start with the big one. So guys, if you haven't gotten this yet, this kit, again, it's only for customers. We are not privy to order it. I think it's valued at over $40, and it's at $34.99. So it's a very good deal, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, let's see how to make sure that it's, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, let's see how to make sure that it's centered and at the same time. I think that's perfect. The leaves go underneath the G and the N over there. Okay, so I want to make sure that there's no bubbles here. Okay, we're gonna start with the leaves. I think this leaves here, I'm going to make them light. And then this one would be the darker leaf. And then I'm going to make this a light blue or the ocean mist. And then I'll make this 3 here. I think I'll make this ocean mist 1, 2, and 3. And then this one would be the teal. Let's play with this, guys. I'm gonna start with the light green. And so I'm gonna start it with this over here. And I'll use the end of the multi-tool to apply it because it's such a small area. Have to work fast. Okay. Almost there. Okey-dokes. Now we're going to work with the green envy. See how I'm using the tip of this brush at the end, or the squeegee at the end of the multi-tool. That's why I like it. It gets into those little corners. Okay, that's done over there. And we'll take the teal. Let's go here. I'm sorry guys, I'm not saying anything. I'm not talking because I'm trying to concentrate. I don't want to mess this up. Uh-oh. Oh well, whatever. I covered the small flowers too with teal. Oh well, it'll work. And the biggest flower will be rose or ocean mist. And then we have the little bud over here will be ocean mist too. Don't put too much. Make sure I got all the corners here. Okay, revelation time, guys. Whew, I'm a little scared.
Oh my word.
Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. The kiwi needs more. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. It is so cool. All right. We have to probably work a bit on this teal over here. Oh, and did you know, I don't know if I had told you this yet, for those who are wondering, yes, you can paint with the paste. Ugh, sorry, I was off camera there for a few seconds. I am so happy at how it turned out. All right, so now we're gonna move on. I wanna move on to this smaller one, fuzzing it. I don't wanna lose the backing. Make sure you secure your backing because you don't wanna lose them. Okay, so we're gonna move this to the side. I hope I'm still in frame. Let's see, is that how I want it? I'm not quite sure if I want it that way. I think I want it this way. And then I might as well put this on and figure out where I want it, since they're not going to be touching each other.
Yeah.
That's where I want them. I'm going to start here and work with my teal.
I'm going to grab a bit thicker here only because I'll make sure that it doesn't dry too fast on me.
Working on our little flower over here. And then the bud. Have to work really carefully here on the bud. Okay, now on to our kiwi, and we're going to put our kiwi over here all the way to the end, using your little corner or tip of your squeegee. Okay, and now we're gonna go use the green envy. It gets so dry fast here in Vegas, so I have to always put more water into our chalk paste. Making sure I'm getting all the colors in there. All right, I think we're done. Revelation time. I'm gonna start from this corner so I can see it.
Okay.
This one, I think I'm just going to use the teal or the ocean mist and also the green envy on this too. The best part about Chalk Couture is if you say mess up and you decide, oh, I really don't like this colors, or I don't really like the way it turned out, guess what? You take your mist your project, and then get a wipe and then wipe it off. All done. Hooray! I really like the way it turned out. What do you guys think? Let me know. I love it. And guys, truly, you are enough. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comment section below. For orders, if you want to place an order for your You Are Enough kit, like I said, it is a customer promo. Website is in the description below. Please join my VIP Chalk Couture group in Facebook to view more of my specials and kits that are coming up in the new year. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I did, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!